My brother and that. So I just started to shoot this. I told him not to, because I was going to do this on the video. But since he's done it, he's done it. Now that's it. Transform out on it. Now it's out of it. Yeah, that. Oh, I'll do it off. I think I've got something to do. I've got all of them. Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like we've already started it. Hang on. Yeah. So he's already done it, so. He's done it, he's done it. So since my boys already shut the microwave, I was going to do it on a video, but he beat me to it. So since he's helping me out now, yeah. So because I left some of my tools in his bedroom, and that's why technically wonder why he's done it. So yeah, well I'm going to do it again. I'm going to get my tools and bring them up. Yeah, one way to shut these up is take that pin out, that pin out, that pin out, that pin out. That's it. I call it a pin anyway. What you're gonna have to do. Sometimes you can get something and bend it back. Sometimes you get your tweezers and squeeze it open. Sometimes it works anyway. I just started taking some of it out and realised I was doing the video. Yeah. That would have gone on there like that. Yeah. That wasn't there. Some cogs are there. Yeah. And you see how damaged. If I can go like that, make it focus. Yeah. Yeah. And so I was sticking it similar part. That. Come out like that. It's a liquid magnet up. Yeah. But sometimes these work them. When you can just sometimes it works, sometimes you can just turn it on. Why shouldn't it come off like that? Yeah. Sometimes it can pop out. Yeah. And what I'm gonna do is if whilst it's still like that. So if I can cut all that. So if I can this, there it goes. Yeah. Okay, someone taught me this once. If I push it straight down the middle. Well, sorry about the camera going all over the place. Yeah. Still a bit in plastic. Plastic bits. Yeah. And now I'm going to do with that. And what's that? That's it. That I can just, like that. And the thing inside, and the thing inside from like that side to that side, technically it's one of them. You see there? Yeah. You see, that's another look at one of those magnets. So we got two there. Then, I still got the one of way they got. I don't know what to do with them. Yeah. And sometimes with that there, sometimes it might be on that side. I don't know. It's technically them. Yeah. Put that there. And how I do that is sometimes I can bend that back and sometimes bend that side and it'll come open. And then do it again on that side. See, I bend it tops. Yeah, and I got it off. Yeah. That way used to come off. And this is where sometimes it comes a bit tricky sometimes. Because that's a magnet. Yeah. And sometimes, with that being steel, the magnet will come back flying. So I definitely need to use two bands. So then I can grab the magnet, grab all that, and grab that, and pull it apart. Because I got it out. Yeah, looks like my boat. It didn't want to come out, so my boy looks like he forgot to take them off, to clip them off, to get it to slide out that hole. Because it wasn't there. And yeah. Yeah. And now, if you put your finger like that, and you went to go like that, put one finger in to put go like that, they, oh, strong. So I can do this with one hand. It's pulling me back on my finger. See that, alley off. Yeah. So, there's it, do. This one under. There you go. Sometimes that bit of steel can come off. Tough. There you go, there's your magic one. Technically, if you get something really good to cut that off, you'll be good. And watch, ready? Sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. And a copper, my copper. There's all that in there. That's wrong. You can go up there. But still, let's get it together. But, I've got all plastic in that. Magnets. Do you see how someone breaks? There's them all over here. Well, I'll keep moving them anyway. Because I got those magnets there. Yeah. But then them, I'll keep them to one side. I'll keep them to one side. Keep that to one side. And then to one side. Yeah. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Some more scrap. Yeah, it's a bit. I might do that. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, a couple new shots. I'll see if I can do that. Oh. I'll do something like that. Yeah, so that's the microwave gone. Also working. That's gonna get shipped. But we'll chuck it down here because I don't know what's in it anyway. It's down there.